how to create an account on Kick. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can create an account on the Kick app. So how do you create an account? The first step is to download and install the application on your device, just like I've done here. And once you've done that, move to the bottom part of the screen where you'll see two options: log in and join. So click on the join option since you are trying to create an account. So you can just accept this, and then the first step will be for you to add your birthday the um to the app. So just go ahead to select your year, date of birth, the month, then click on submit. Note that this is just an example, okay? This is just an example to show you how you can create an account on Kick. So the next step would be for you to enter in your username. So just go ahead to do that. Alright, then enter in your password as well. Okay, ensure you use a unique username, because if your username has been taken, you won't be able to use it. So just make use of something unique. All right, so once you found the unique username, click on submit, and then the next step would be for you to add your email. This is very necessary. Then click on submit as well, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. All right, so just wait for it to load. So after submitting it, a confirmation email will be sent to the email that you added, and then just like that, your account will be created. So this is how the app's interface looks like, and this is how to create an account on Kick. So I hope the tutorial has helped you. If it has, please ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video so as to encourage us to do more videos such as this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.